My name is Thomas Hyman and I'm the founder and CEO of Realty Partners. I was a realtor just like you with boots on the ground facing the same challenges you're facing right now. I know what's important to you as a real estate professional, and I found that ultimately it comes down to three key things: freedom, growth, and security. So let's take a look at these three keys. Financial freedom to do what you want, when you want, and how you want for yourself and for your business. Financial freedom means not having to worry about how you're going to provide for yourself and your family, and being able to pursue life on your own terms and in the direction that you want. There are no limits in our industry. You want to grow your business and maximize your earning potential. And we have systems in place for you to take your business as far as you want. Security for yourself and your family is more than just having financial success today. Security means having the certainty that the future will be bright and that you and your family will be okay. Your security is of paramount importance, and we have you covered. Let's take a look at each of these three keys in more detail, starting with financial freedom. As a Realty Partner agent, you receive stock. Our goal is to take the company public, so you're actually receiving pre-IPO stock. In addition to our stock grants, we also provide you with stock option grants, which gives you additional opportunities to benefit from Realty Partners as we go public and take the company public. Passive income allows you to not only bridge the gap of feast and famine that we're so used to in the real estate industry, but it will allow you to also eventually replace your income and have a path to retirement. We have both revenue sharing and profit sharing programs, and we're actually the only company in the industry that has both a revenue sharing plan as well as a profit sharing plan. We even have a path for you to profit from title and lending. Let's take a look at how our stock grants work. When you first join the company and have your first closing, you receive 1,000 shares of stock. If you refer another agent to the company and they have their first closing, you receive an additional 1,000 shares. And every time you cap out, you reach your annual expense cap, we will issue 2,500 shares to you. Now these shares are locked in until we get to 500 agents, and then the size of the grants will reduce. So right now is truly the best time to get involved with Realty Partners. For exceptional agents, we have created the Star Agent Program. And as a Star Agent, we will pay you $20,000 in company stock each year that you qualify. To qualify, you need to cap out plus have 20 additional transactions. When you do, you will receive a $5,000 stock grant that vests immediately, an additional $10,000 stock grant that vests in 3 years. So this together will cover your entire cap. And then if you contribute in the form of training and coaching and participation in agent panels, you will receive an additional $5,000 stock grant that vests over 2 years. Now, in addition to these stock grants, we have some super exciting stock option grants that really allow you to create a significant ownership stake in the company. When you become an associate, you receive 2,500 shares. When you become a junior partner, you receive 10,000 shares. When you become a partner, you receive 25,000 shares, and when you become a senior partner, you receive 100,000 shares. These option grants stack upon each other, and you receive them each time. Every year you qualify for the profit sharing rank. Now let's take a look at that. 55% of our company profits are paid out to our agents, and we have 4 profit sharing ranks. Associate is super easy to qualify. All you need is $7,500 in revenue for the company. That's about $1 million in transaction volume, and our associates receive 5% of the profits. Junior partners receive 10%, and you can qualify in one of two ways: $30,000 in revenue for the company between yourself and your personal group, so that's you and anyone you personally refer to the company, or $6 million in production. Partners get 15%, and senior partners get 25%. And again, you can qualify based on your personal production volume, or you can qualify based on revenue generated together with your personal group. Revenue sharing is broken down into two parts with Realty Partners. We have our direct share program, which is a monthly passive income stream. And anytime you refer someone to Realty Partners, we will pay you 20% of their company commission splits. So you can earn up to $4,500 for each of your personal referrals together with the binary. And there's no limit on the number of referrals, and there's no income cap. The second aspect is our weekly binary program. It's a weekly passive income. You need to refer at least 2 agents to qualify, and you can earn a 10% match to infinity. So there's no limit on the number of levels you can get paid on, and you can earn up to $25,000 per week. And this is truly a ground floor opportunity, because every agent that will be with the company a year from now, 5 years from now, will be below the agents that are with the company right now. And the revenue sharing plan that we have chosen, the binary plan, is very unique in that not only do you earn on an unlimited number of levels, but you also have the ability to receive spillover. So let me show you how that works. Under the binary plan, you basically have 2 teams. You have a left-hand side team and you have a right-hand side team. And that team will continue down unlimited levels, so it doesn't stop. Now, when you bring on a person, after your first 2, you have to place them at the very bottom of either the left or right-hand side, and you can choose where to put them. And as you do that, you're going to create a spillover effect for everyone in between. So we have some agents right now that literally have an organization that is 30 levels deep. So if they bring on another person, that person will be placed 30 levels below them on either the left or right-hand side. And that means that recruit will benefit everyone in between them and that recruit, as well as anyone above them. So it fosters tremendous team building, tremendous excitement, tremendous opportunity, and long-term, and especially with the timing right now, you have the ability to build a very, very sizable organization. Now let's talk about growing your business. When it comes to growing your business, we have you covered, and it all starts with technology. And we provide you with world-class technology, best-in-class solutions, starting with the entire KV Core suite, Core Social, Core Listing Machine, AdWorks Remarketing, and the list goes on and on. We have tremendous training, coaching, and mentoring available for you at no additional cost. We have several lead generation programs you can plug into. We have amazing marketing and social media support. We can save you time with our listing coordinator and transaction coordinator services that are optional services that are very reasonably priced. And if you do a lot of transactions, we have our VIP business platform, which is a membership that is going to save you tremendously on coordinator services, but also provides you with access to additional support services such as admin support, accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, and more. Here are just some of the resources that we have partnered with for you as an agent, and we continuously add to this list. Now let's talk about security. Like I said, security is more about just your financial success today, but financial security is obviously part of that. And our stock ownership plan does just that, provide financial security for you. Our vesting provides you with income for life. The way vesting works is that once you vest, once you reach that threshold, you no longer have to stay with the company to enjoy the benefits. So once you're vested under your revenue sharing, under the profit sharing, under the stock ownership, you can leave the company and these benefits will continue forever. You can also pass them to your family. We have an amazing agent healthcare plan. So I know that healthcare is a big challenge for realtor agents. So we have the opportunity for you to take care of yourself and your family. We have a survivor benefit plan. God forbid somebody were to pass away before they're vested, everything will vest immediately and pass on to their estates. So again, you can have certainty that your family is taken care of. We have a very experienced leadership team, and our company has been rapidly growing. Inc. magazine has named us one of the fastest growing companies in North America 2 years in a row. Last year, we were named an Inc. 500 company. We were number 400 in North America across all industries and categories, and we were number 13 in the real estate industry out of all companies in North America. When it comes to our cost, this is really good news. What you see here is what you get. There are no hidden fees, there are no startup fees, no E&O fees, no broker review fees, no technology fees. When you first join us, we pay for your name tags and business cards. If you've done more than $3 million in the past 12 months, we will also put you in touch with our design team and pay for custom branding, business cards, stationery, custom Facebook page, custom for sale sign, and so forth, again at no cost to you. We set up and host your domain. We are big believers that every agent should have their own domain, so you should be u.com and you@u.com for your email, and we'll take care of that for you. We have a fixed monthly fee of only $100 with an annual option that will save you a couple $100, and that covers all of the technology, E&O, etc. We charge a broker fee of only $3.95 to buyers and sellers. So this is not a transaction fee to you, that's a broker fee to the buyer or seller from the company. And the exciting part here is if you use Cloud Title, then that fee is in essence waived because Cloud Title will issue a $395 credit. Your annual expense cap on your commission splits is only $15,000 per year. Then you're at a true 100%. So there are no add-on transaction fees of any kind to you. And our split ranges from 75-25 to 90-10. When you first join the company, we're going to take a look at your production for the past 12 months. And let's say if you did $7 million in business last year, then that would qualify you as a junior partner. We would start you out at 80-20. If you did $12-15 million last year, that would qualify you as a partner. We would start you out at 85-15 and so forth. Our mission is very simple: to help you make more money and be more successful. Again, we've been named one of the fastest growing companies by Inc. magazine 2 years in a row, and I invite you to join us at this very special time as we're preparing to take the company public, and we have some tremendous opportunities for you to benefit from that growth. To join us, simply go to our website, realtypartners.com/join, or click on the join link at the top right corner of the page. If you have any questions, please reach out to the person that shared Realty Partners with you. You can also, at our website, click on the live chat icon on the bottom right corner during business hours and chat with a member of the corporate team to have any questions answered. I look forward to working with you in the future, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this.